Are you tired of the simple old pots? Let me create a better one for you. I went with the modern look and also printed it with white filament. So this here is the final result. I'm fine with the way it turned out, but I also tried to print out a stand and that print failed. Two legs broke off and only the supports were left, but I think it just created a more interesting vase. To test it out, I put some soil in it and also planted a plant that my grandma gave me to try it out. Okay guys, that's all for me today. See you in the next one. Bye!